this program of ours is about our meet Manthan, which we have planned from January 21st to 23rd. And I got a lot of queries. Uh, Before coming to the event, it is based out of our experience in many years. That while we started building an ecological system, we also interacted with a lot of similar folks around the country who are honestly trying to preserve the natural ecological systems, traditional foods, and yet are not able to progress in this economic system. Somewhere they are, either because of the way supply chains are or the way market works, they are not able to progress. So or they have to compromise somewhere if they want to go ahead. So this meeting was about how can we be completely pure in our effort and yet find a way ahead, so that this whole effort generates momentum. And I firmly believe, from one person in an area, it can graduate to thousands of persons in an area, and then entire village, entire city, or so a lot of people can adopt if there are a few leading lights. So that was the purpose. We called a lot of people who we knew, but it is open to everyone, where we can discuss what kind of challenges have they been facing, whether those are ecological, whether those are economic, or whether those are related to some lack of knowledge or loss of traditional foods, whatever is the challenge. The idea is to figure out at which stage the efforts are getting slower or stalled, and then find a solution to it and then move ahead. Because I hope that once we deliberate on this, then then all the I think we'll have a good summary of all the problems, which can apply to even those who didn't attend, and it's available to everyone. And we can have more Manthan meets. I think we'll have more applications than the kind we have planned, 12 to 15 people. But the same learning can go on refining in further Manthan meets. So this is the first meet, and I think every quarter or every other month we can plan another meet as we get more and more interest of people who want to deliberate on such issues.